have 17 rent-to-rent deal in Leeds. This is where I'm based. And in terms of cash flow, let's say I'm on the six figures.
Currently on 11 deals, and the cash flow per month, the net cash flow is around about 10, 11k a month.
So I have 13 rent-to-rent deals, and so cash flow is around 30k at the moment.
I've got 15 rent-to-rent deals, cash flowing anywhere between 15 to 20k.
I have 4 rent-to-rent deals, and I manage a property for the owners. And last year we turned over about 180.
We have 15, so they're all doing really well. We just started our rent-to-rent journey 15 months ago. And the cash flow on those is averaging around £2,000 per unit.
We are on 19 deals at the moment, and our cash flow per month is between 16 to 17k.
Combined total revenue for last year, 2024, was 1.47 million.